Hi guys, it's Any, aka the NocTrader, your friendly neighborhood swing trader, back again with another video. And today I'm here with Michaela and Lewis from Traders Central Fund. How are you guys?
We're good. We're good.
We're good, thanks.
All right, so just to get started, what is Traders Central Fund?
Cool. So I'll start. So Trader Central Fund is the proprietary funding arm of the Trader Central ecosystem, which allows traders to get funded within 24 hours. So we've actually moved from being a prop fund and we've begun to incorporate TC Bridge, which is our broker, if you didn't know. And most recently we've launched TC Crypto. So yeah, that's a just brief intro of Trader Central so far.
Okay, so how long has the company been going for?
So we've not actually been around for too long yet. We've only been operating since 2019 in May. So quite recent. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Is there what type of plans do you offer for traders that differentiates you, or what plans in general do you offer traders? Because you said you're not a typical prop firm, so
Yeah. Well, like, if you want, I could show you on our website.
yeah,
But
that'd be great.
yeah, I could if you want to share your screen. So right, this is our website. I think you said you've had a little gander on it already.
Yes, I have.
Yeah. So first up, we've got the monthly subscription here. Right. So this is our monthly subscription here. And just to let you guys know, so there's no evaluation needed, sorry, on the monthly subscription. And then when it loads, you'll be able to see a bit more detail about it. So if you look here, you get a 60% profit split, 1 to 3 leverage. You can just trade with Forex and gold on this subscription in particular. And then you've got more details about the monthly subscription here. So yeah, so we've got that one. And then there's also different account plans here. So you've got the 12.5K, 25K, and then you've got 50K.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Oh, that makes sense. So 60%, keep 60%, 1 to 3 leverage, and it's Forex and gold only. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is for the monthly plan, and no evaluation is needed for that one. So you can just get a live funded account straight away as soon as you pay that monthly fee.
Great that you guys have migrated to MT5 instead of MT4, because me personally, I prefer CTrader, but MT5 is pretty good. It's pretty much near on par with CTrader in terms of the functionality, because I hate MT4.
Yeah, exactly. Everyone got their preferences. So next we've got the one-time fee. So on this one, you get a bit more, you get a higher percentage of profit share. So it's 85% instead of the 65 for the one-time fee. And then when it just loads, I'll tell you some more details. It's also a higher leverage as well.
Cool.
Right. So with the one-time fee, you can either go on the aggressive plan, the rapid plan, or the standard plan. So yeah, so the leverage is slightly higher than the previous. So it just differs in between the different kinds of evaluations. And then also with the profit split, with the aggressive plan, it's 85%, the rapid 80%, and the standard is also 80%.
So the one-time fee is similar to like the normal challenge process as the typical prop firm in terms of the two-step challenge verification. Then you get a live account, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So I'll tell you, I'll just go in a bit more depth there. So on the aggressive plan, we've got 2 stages, yeah. And the profit target is 10% on the first stage of the aggressive plan. And then on the second stage of the aggressive plan is the 5%, is a 5% target. So we find that like the aggressive challenge accounts are the most popular.
Yeah.
And you can do it and you can complete it in a minimum trading days of 20 days, which is pretty good. I know some other prop firms have reduced the trading days to 0, or the minimum trading days. But yeah, we need to do this because we need to like gauge whether the trader is good enough to access this money, because this is real money we're talking about. I know a lot of other prop firms don't actually, like, they call it prop, not proprietary. Because prop firms are firms which don't actually allow the trader to access live capital.
Yeah.
We give you that live capital.
Okay.
And you're actually trading live money, real money. So we just want to have that minimum trading days.
So if I complete that within the 20 days, and you know the strategy most people employ, they start trading 0.01 lots for the rest of the is that all right? Or do you have like a consistency rule or something?
Yeah. So that's like we've been listening to that, I must say, yeah. But we've changed it up, and we say that now, instead of saying like 0.01 lots and stuff, we've changed it to you can reduce your lot size, so your average lot size, by 50 to 75%.
Yeah.
For example, if you were to have an average lot size of one lot throughout your evaluation, and you've beat the evaluation really early, just reduce it by 0.5 lots, or just trade every something like that. So
I'm going to ask a real kind of meticulous question, but a lot of times people's lot size is dependent on, like, if I have like a 10 pip stop loss for this trade, then my lot size is going to be higher, but the risk will be the same. But if I have another trade that's bigger, so how do you know what I mean? Because it's not necessarily the lot size that dictates the risk parameters, is how much the stop losses and the lot size, because then that can dictate how much capital you're actually risking. So how do you combat that in terms?
So I would say, like, keep doing that. Like, I know a lot of, that's a good point. So based on your risk, if you have a small stop loss, then you're risking arguably more relative to a larger stop loss. So just take an average of all of your your trades. Let's say you've been trading from an average of, or between 5 lots and 20 lots. This is just an example, because my friend these lots. I would take the average of that. So 20 plus 5 divided by 2, and you would get the average of, what I'm saying.
I get what you mean.
So just get the average. You should.
Cool. All right. So
okay, cool. So the last plan that we've got,
go for it.
The last plan that we've got that I didn't mention is the beta program. So with this plan, you actually don't need no funding. You just need to show us that you're able to uphold a good track record. So you have to fill out this form and then send that over to us. Once we see that, we'll fund you with no payment needed.
Okay.
So and that is a beta program.
And how long do you have to? How much is the? How much data do you need to provide in terms of your trading history? To
3 months.
3 months. Okay.
Yeah.
And is there a minimum amount of capital that you need to be trading within that account?
Yeah. So you need over $10,000 or 10,000 of your account balance. And it needs to be over 3 months track record. The drawdown shouldn't be more than 10%.
Okay.
So this is aimed at quantitative finance people. Like some really good discretionary traders. Sharp ratio and profit factor have to be there. I don't know the exact metrics.
Okay.
But just take that into account as well. So as long as you've got good risk management on your 3-month portfolio, it doesn't need to be live. It can be demo account. And as long as you've got good risk management, then you're pretty much set. A good track record, you're good.
Awesome. That's a really good one as well. So for you demo traders that haven't got any capital, if you can show 3 months of successful trading without too much drawdown, then this is one way to go.
Exactly.
Sure. So what other instruments do you guys offer?
So it varies from each plan. For the monthly, we offer FX, which is the majors and minors, gold and silver as well for the monthly. For the one-time fee accounts, we offer FX, indices, stocks, and crypto. So
that's appeasing.
All right, you've sparked my interest now.
Exactly. Equities there, but so we don't have as much as IG, for example.
Of course.
We are obviously adding more by the month, I would say. And we're always open to any suggestions of stocks you want to be put there. And we just a little tangent here. What we've seen in FX over the past year, since central banks have been printing so much and stuff and regulating the market, we find that with FX there's a lot less volatility, and traders don't make as much money on the FX market than they used to. So that's the reason why we've offered other metals, other indices, stocks, crypto, because these assets just are so much more volatile than FX this year. Really interesting stuff. But Yeah, that's a little tangent there.
What stocks are you offering? Is it? I'm guessing it's the high capital one, the
Blue
FANG
chip,
and
something like that. Yeah,
or the FANG ones and the Tesla and all that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
awesome.
All of the normal ones that you get. Yeah.
Awesome. And what's the thought process behind why are you offering certain instruments in certain plans and others in others? Or is there?
Oh yeah. So in terms of like you saw in the monthly, right? The monthly plans, there's only FX, majors and minors, plus gold and silver.
Yeah.
That's because, of course, with the monthly plan, there's lower leverage and there's obviously more risk taken on by us.
Yeah.
So if we get some, like anyone can trade this plan, like you get funded in less than 24 hours.
Yeah.
There's no evaluation needed. So there's going to be quite a lot of risk taking you on.
Yeah.
Like regardless of, I don't know, whether what your track record and stuff.
Yeah.
So by reducing the options, if you know what I mean, it's just easier for us to bear that risk.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you guys access liquidity?
Do you want to answer that?
Yeah, sure. So liquidity is accessed through our broker, which is TC Bridge. So Mikala talked about that earlier. So this connects a trader to our liquidity pool, which is accessed by other people as well. So there's a whole load of, you know how like liquidity pools work. It goes on for ages, rabbit hole. But this Trader Central Bridge is the brokerage arm of Trader Central.
Okay.
So, you know, I was talking about how Trader Central is the main body, and then we have all of these arms, which is Trader Central Fund, Trader Central Crypto. Trader Central Bridge is one of those arms to Trader Central, and it is a tailor-made platform which has incredible spreads and great execution. And only recently we have actually reduced our commission, so you can do commission free if you choose standard spreads.
Okay.
And of course, if you have ECN spreads, then you have to pay commission. I believe commission is a bit on the expensive side. I believe it's, I think, $5 to $9. I'm not particularly sure.
Okay.
I would double check that for you. But yeah, so that's Trader Central Bridge, and that is our liquidity provider.
That's good because you find, I'm not going to name names, but there's other prop firms, I'm going to say, that when they have their own proprietary broker, you find some funny business happens with the spreads and stuff like that, because they're incentivized not for everyone to retake the challenge or whatever. But if you're providing like an ECN and stuff like that, that means that you're actually trying to work in the favor of the trader. You want them to succeed.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, that's what we find. Like, I don't know about like Robinhood. That's the thing. When the provider gives you like kind of bad spreads, that's called front running.
Yeah.
And like big guys behind the scenes, they make so much money of giving you like a really bad price. But, we don't do that, and just want to get as good as possible. Yeah,
it's good to hear. So why is TCF better than other prop firms? Why shouldn't I go to one of the other ones?
Mikala, you want to take that?
Yeah, just a quick question. Can you hear that sound in the background? Someone's mowing the lawn, which I've been muting myself.
I can't.
All right, cool. So first off, we provide live funding accounts when traders pass the evaluation. So I know a few other firms that can't do that.
Yeah.
So I think we are the only firm to actually offer that.
Yeah.
Or one of the only ones anyway. Secondly, we have a strong trading community where you can interact with each other and share ideas. So we do this on Telegram. We've got a community. Any questions that traders want to ask, they'll ask it in there and they'll get a response almost instantly. The same with if you email us, you'll also get a response almost instantly. Thirdly, we were also the first prop fund to introduce the 80% profit share with the one-time fee plan. And we're the only firm which offers this tri-bid funding model that allows monthly subscriptions. So yeah, I think we're quite unique to other prop funds, and that's why a lot of traders like us. So we also have an easier capital growth path. So if you make 10% on a 50K and above account, you can get upgraded all the way up to 2 million USD. So you're able to go up that capital growth quite quickly. And we give you that scope to do that. We have the cheapest prices, I would say, in the proprietary industry, incredibly competitive rules. So it just makes you want to, keep learning and keep on continuing with your own plan. We've got better spreads and trading conditions. And lastly, and most importantly, we have the best, like I said before, customer service. That's our number one
Awesome.
unique selling point. Our customer service is on point.
Something actually I wanted you to elaborate on, because that sounds really interesting. Can you tell me a little bit more about your scale up process? Like the scale up, you said 50K, and then what, if you make 10%, then you scale up. How much would you scale up if I made 10% on a 50K account?
So, okay, so in terms of scaling up on capital growth, if you have a 50K account or 100K account or 200K account on the one-time fee, for example, you're eligible. So if you just make 10% on that, it's so simple. On the 50K, you get upgraded to the 100K. If you make 10% on the 100K and you keep that balance, that's on the monthly. It differs, it varies from monthly to one-time fee.
Yeah.
I'll talk from the one-time fee perspective.
Yeah.
If you have 10%, you make 55K. You make 5K on that 50 grand.
Yeah.
Upgraded to 100 grand. Then 10% on that, 200K.
Yeah.
Upgraded.
Yeah.
And then if you make 10% on that 200K, you get upgraded to 400K.
Okay.
And then that's an extra step we added. And then if you make 10% on that 400K, you get upgraded to 1 milli.
Yeah.
And then 1 milli, 10%, 1.5. And then from there to 2 million.
But that's if you don't, I'm assuming you keep the capital within the account, or you can still make withdrawals as long as you made that 10%.
Yeah, exactly. So you can make withdrawals. That's on the one-time fee, but on the monthly plan, you need to keep that money in the account.
Okay.
So at the end of the process, I think you have around 120K profit in your account.
Okay.
So you would have 2,120K.
Yeah.
I think it's 120K. I'm not sure of my head.
Don't worry about the maths. People get it, but as long as people get the process, that's you're gonna get someone in the comment section like, no, the numbers are so but I really like what you guys have shared about TCF. I like the varieties and different plans that you provided. I haven't actually seen that all three of those I've seen elements of that in different other prop firms, but I haven't seen all three provided in one prop firm in such a manner. So it's very interesting proposition that you guys have. It sounds like a really interesting offer, so I might sign up.
That'll be great.
So thanks guys for joining. Guys, if you want to join, I've got a link in the description section below. It's Any, aka the NocTrader, signing out.